What up, gang? This your boy Charger17 3.0 coming at you guys with another great video today. Hey, comment at free will, like, subscribe, and share. Definitely share these videos. This is one of the great videos I think I by far made, besides having fun doing stuff with my car. Today's video is all about the Triple Diamond Service Center, guys. These guys had an open house the other day. I was there to bring it in with them, celebrate with them, and everything. I got both of the owners in the video, straight up at the beginning. And check out some of that beat roll I was doing up in that shop, y'all. That was a little bit something, you know. It's an auto shop, so ain't nothing like this is gonna wow you guys. It's just something to show you guys that they got their shop and everything, stuff that they like to work on, potential working on your regular cars like sports cars and stuff, what we drive out here in the neighborhoods, in the car community game out here. But yeah, I have both of the owners. The first owner you'll see, he's gonna tell you the name of the shop. The second one, well, he's first or second, either which one. Both of those guys are the owners, and they gonna bring in a shop together. I got them on the video. You guys enjoy this video. Comment at free will. Definitely share again. And go, if you're around this community or you need some if you need some car service stuff done at the reasonable time hours of their opening of their shop, you stop by there and get it done. Other than that, this is your boy Charger17 coming at you guys with another great video day. I already done said it. Can't say it enough. I'm enjoying myself. I hope you guys are too. Enjoy this video. Peace, everyone. See you on the next vlog. You already know what to do. Peace. What's the name of the shop?
Triple Diamond Service Center.
All right. I put everything in the link and everything.
Yeah.
So you heard them, guys. What up, gang? You guys right? What up, gang? I don't know what was going on there. I got the owner for the shop here. He's gonna tell you a little bit what's going on with his shop and all the service that he does. And we're about to jump into it.
So we're a full service shop. We're located at 849 South Clinton Avenue, right in the heart of South Wedge, down in the city of Rochester. We're a full service shop. We do all your major repairs. We do some high-end installs for performance, what have you. We also are certified to do your New York State inspections, and whatever you're looking for, we can certainly take care of you.
All right. Thanks, man.
Thank you.
What's up with it? You heard it from him. So you already know what to do, guys. Come on down here. Today's open house, so it's not gonna be like this. It's gonna be business for them after today rolls on. So you already know what to do, guys. Like, comment, and share. Peace, everybody.